All right, Rob Frazier here, like the 10th time I did this video. So I've been online for, shoot, I don't know, 2010. I didn't start making money till 2015, and here we are in 2025. I'm still cranking along. So this video I want to talk about a complete affiliate marketing system. Also, understand that affiliate marketing is a stepping stone. It is not a final destination. This is something that I've come across maybe a couple years ago, and I just totally stopped being on social media because I just felt like talking about affiliate marketing was so redundant, and you're just saying the same things over and over and over again. And it's like, hey, let me show you how to make $1,000 online by buying my course. That's $1,000, and then when you join, the only thing you want to do is get other people to sign up for that $1,000. It just became really ridiculous for me after a while. But there's a lot of good things you can learn in affiliate marketing that you can apply to other things. So I'm learning IT. I'm going to eventually start my own IT business, cybersecurity, get into that sort of thing. I also like to work offline. My ADHD keeps me gainfully employed. So I like doing handyman work, junk removal, things like that. And everything in affiliate marketing that I've learned, I apply to those businesses. And it is a necessary skill, learning how to market, not just affiliate marketing, just marketing. So it doesn't matter what it is, the skills you'll learn here, you can apply to everything. So all that being said, this is my system, hanging my hat, not joining anything else, not looking at anything else. This is my complete system that I've put together. Not any one program has it all, in my opinion, because there's always different things you need. Going into the different things you need, my very first mentor, he said, write this down. We are in the lead generation business. Generating leads is what I do. Our whole goal is not to promote a business, not to be a health and wellness guy or gal or a shaky shake person, or here's my essential oils, or here's my drinks. Your job is to generate leads. So the things that are absolutely vital is a list building system. And before I get into that, there's only 3 C's of marketing, and it doesn't matter what the new flavor of the month is. 3 C's: clicks, content, connections. Outside of that, everything that you'll learn about marketing falls into those 3 things. So, and these first 2 things that I'm mentioning, a list building system and email marketing, falls under clicks. So basically, this right here is an example of a capture page. I'm not talking about any type of business that I'm in. The whole purpose of this capture page is to collect an email address. Once you collect that email address, that person goes on your email list. And then once they're on your email list, you use email marketing to promote whatever it is you're doing, your coaching, your network marketing company, your affiliate marketing company, your whatever it is. You build an email list with a list building system like this, and then you do email marketing to that list. Every single program that I put in this system has a purpose and is designed to teach you a certain thing. So this right here is done through LeadSleep. That's my list building system. When people opt in, they're going to get on to my autoresponder through LeadSleep, and then I'm going to do email marketing to that person. So that's the first part. That's the first C, basically. And after you opt in, you're going to see a video here. I'm going to replace this video with the one I'm doing now. People come through, they click here, then they'll go to the next page. So this right here, I promote Second Splash and LeadSleep first. These right here are general places you'll learn how to get traffic, how to stand out. The first part, the Second Splash, you'll learn how to stand out so you're not promoting the same thing everyone else is. LeadSleep is the system that this whole thing is based on. That's that capture page, and that's the email list that you're going to build. So when you scroll down here, I don't just have random extra programs here. I said there are 3 C's of marketing. The first C is clicks. The second C is content. The third C is connections. So content, we have a faceless It's called My Daily Income Goal, but what you're going to learn there is you're going to learn how to create faceless AI generated content. And also, I also paired the Power Lead system. There's an AI Automation Academy that you're going to learn all about using AI to create music videos. You're going to learn how to create all sorts of different crazy things. So these two programs I've put together under the C, under the faceless content, because again, when you're first starting out, you're not going to have confidence to want to put yourself out there. And some people just flat out don't want to put themselves out there. I'm kind of leaning towards that myself. After a while, I'm like, you know what? I'd rather create the faceless AI videos and let them leverage those videos, because then I can promote whatever I want and not have to necessarily talk to a lot of people. So you get the point. Also, the third C, social media marketing, clicks, content, connections. That is there's nothing outside of those three C's that you need to learn as far as marketing goes. And there's nothing else. Clicks, that encompasses paid traffic, solo ads, email marketing. One thing I did forget to say, when you join this whole system, I will teach you how to use email marketing. I'll show you how to take emails like this, how to look at the data, how to look at numbers, how to look at click-through rates, how to see. So for example, here you see 2.8, 3.85, 16.9, 5.6, 16.5, 15.5. I will teach you how to use data like that, take the best performing data and to make it better. So here's an example. Here's a subject line that got a 16.9 click-through rate, 16.5 click-through rate. So it's like you're taking the data and you're improving on it, and you're increasing your numbers through email marketing. I'll show you how to do all this. I'm just throwing a lot of information out there, but I just want to let you know that I've been there, I've done that, I've ran through all the systems, I've endured the punches. I'm your guy. So lastly, the last C is that social media marketing. So here, what I've paired the endless free leads with the Power Lead system. So if you join Power Lead system in the second C, you're going to get the endless free leads. And then lastly, digital growth community. Digital growth community will teach you exactly how to post on social media. And then endless free leads will teach you exactly what to say to the people you're going to attract with your social media posts. So it's a 1-2 combo. It's not just random programs. It's you use the posting methods that you're going to learn through digital growth community. You're going to post something, people are going to like, comment, send you a message, and you have to know exactly what to say to close to people, and that's what you're going to learn through endless free leads. So it's just a 1-2-3 combo. So the first part, the clicks, you're going to learn how to send passive traffic to this page. Content, when you create that AI faceless content, all of that content is going to be directing people, traffic to this capture page. You're not going to be promoting any other pages except the capture page. That is it. And the same thing with connections. When you make connections on social media, your whole purpose, talk to people online, connect with them, say, hey, can I send you a website to give you more information? Yes. What website should you send them? Your capture page. So you build your email list, and it all goes back to the email list. So that being said, when you work with me, there's 7 things you're going to learn. You're going to learn affiliate marketing, everything I just laid out here. You're going to learn about list building. You're going to learn about email marketing. You're going to learn about content marketing, social media marketing, and also what are you going to do with some of the money that you make. That's one of my biggest mistakes. I've made a lot of money. I've went through seasons of not making a lot of money, ups and downs. How do you take your money and grow it? How do you take your money and use it to build other businesses? How do you take your money and smartly build multiple streams of income, taxes? How do you invest, save, tithe, buy crypto, whatever it is? I got a money management plan for you. And lastly, the 7th thing is a mentor, because this is a continuous process. You need somebody who's been around, who's just a little bit further ahead than you, that you can reach out to, connect with, ask questions, help you out. That's what I'm extending here. That's my complete system. 7 things you need for a complete affiliate marketing system. You can apply this to any business, make money in anything, and including promoting other businesses. So that being said, dumped a lot of information out there. Watch this video 2-3 times if you have to. There's a link in the description. It's going to be a link to my capture page. Opt in. Check out my email marketing. Check out how I market things. Check out how I share my social media and everything like that. Get on my email list. See how I do it. And then model it and apply it to whatever it is you're doing. Name for our Fraser. Information is below. We'll see you in the next one.